How to add audio spectrum in Capcut. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Capcut application in your mobile device. If you don't have that, install it from Google Play Store. Once you open it up, tap on New Project. Now you have to import the video. After you import it, you will get to editing page. Now to add spectrum, you will see this menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Swipe that to your left and there you will have sticker option. Tap on it. Now if you navigate to this menu bar on this stickers box as well, swipe to your left, there you'll have this bell icon. Tap on it. Now under this bell icon you will find this spectrum. Tap on it and with that the spectrum is now added to your video. Now with the help of your fingertip, tap and drag it and place it wherever you like. If you like to place it at the top, you can place it there. Now if you like to resize this, you can resize this as well. Make it big or small the way you want. If you like to rotate it, tap on this rotate icon, or you can simply rotate with the help of your fingertip and then rotate this as well. You can tap on the stick mark from this sticker box. Now if you like to change the timing for this spectrum, tap on this spectrum from the timeline and then simply drag this with the help of your fingertip and make it equal with that the video in Capcut, like this. If you want to add more than one spectrum, again go back and then follow the same steps. Tap on stickers, after that choose another spectrum and then place it wherever you like. And that's how you can add spectrum in Capcut, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.